Nobody to open the gate.
Bro.
Let me
Take, Rogers.
Catching microphone. Catching microphone.
Hello, my quick. I'll make you wait 1 second.
Just 1 second. All right, we're set.
Let's turn.
Okay,
Let's turn.
come on, turn.
Sorry,
Gentlemen of the press, I'm here myself this morning with members of a few members of the Executive Council to comply with the Supreme Court judgment. Before my arrival, I've already made several attempts by phone call to reach the Speaker and other members. I also did a letter personally which was transmitted to the Honorable Speaker for this particular invitation. But it's unfortunate that at the gates, you can see that the place is completely sealed and there's no sign that anything is going to happen today. The reason why we're doing this, I've always said it, is the interests of our people, which is the most important thing. Well, I don't think there's anything to worry about. Maybe they are working on their letter. I expect to hear from them maybe after this hour. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
We will take from the go back.